Okay, everyone. Good morning. So, guys, I didn't see at least one review yesterday. Trust pilot that I gave you people. Please do review us, right? Because see, when you do something, you expect to understand how that is going. I don't know. I didn't receive at least one review yesterday. Please go there and do the reviews. That is my request. Okay. That being said, yeah, go ahead. Get time to work on that. I didn't get time to work on that. So I think we'll look at that later. Okay. I didn't get time to work on that. I didn't get time to look at that. So I think we'll have to look at it later. Okay. I might not have time today. So let's see. Let me. I'll take some time for that because I'm on a tight schedule today. So I'm actually it will be some 10:05 or 10:10 only today's session. So it will not be possible. Okay. Any other doubts, guys? Hi. Hi. Good morning. Go ahead. Mhm. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I didn't get you. You want to? But that is your whole field, right? I still not getting. Can you open that calculation field? I still didn't get what you are trying to achieve actually. So this order ID and that is from a calculated field, and order date you are putting below. Okay. Now I still not getting what you want actually. You want to increase, then use two different fields there, right? See, here you have one field. For that field only we can do coloring. One field total. We cannot do. Let me share my screen. I'm still not getting what you're asking. I think if you share my screen. Now here you are saying, okay, just give me a second. Okay, so here you are saying you have order ID, and along with that you have order date, or you have a field called order ID. Okay, here you need order ID string along with this. That is what you're asking. And you want only this to be in color coded. Mm, no, individual level. First thing is to get in this whatever we are using. This is the order ID. Mhm. No, as of now, I'm not getting anything. No, individual. So if I show order ID only here, it is not working for you, right? It should show for each and every one of them. Mm, No, I'm not getting anything as of now to show it in here. Mm, order ID is not what it is. So you want to color only one part of it and the whole. No, for now I'm not getting any solution. It is not possible. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Mhm. Wait, now you are saying the output of the flow is giving you updated data. So flow in the flow you are not seeing updated data. How is that possible? See, end of the day, yeah. Mhm. Okay. Did you refresh the flow? I see you're connected to text file, right? Not a database. So how are you? Are you joining both of them? The text. So are you taking for database? Are you taking left join or inner join? What are you taking? You are taking inner join, right? Then if the data is not present in other text tables, you will not see that. When you take an inner join and in other, uh, in general, what happens is the new data, is it present in other text files? Then when you now here take a left outer join for the database side. Now go and see in the data. I think you should get it. Now if you refresh. No, wait. That is a very big thing. Wait. Your flow. It's complicated. I'm not able to understand what. So you are saying you are connecting it to that. Where is your data source, database? Where did you, for that, there you are taking an inner join. To which file you are taking that join? Come to the left, no. To the same data source, you are going one way, you are going and taking a inner join, and one way you are taking, but which flow is defining the date field that you are stating? See, something like this, I'm not sure. I cannot tell you in directly because the flow itself is complicated to understand where the issue is. And again, are you sure your flow is showing all the data that is present in this wherever you are showing in the update? But it is showing in the that means it is not displaying it here, but it has that value, right? Then I don't see the problem because here my point is even in your prep, I think Tableau doesn't show all the samples of the data that is present, right? It only shows certain of them. Yes, but the sample data. Now you are saying below wherever you are seeing this data display, right? The grid that is displaying, you are saying there it is not showing you the data, but it is not mandatory that if you have 1,000 dates, it should show 1,000 dates, right? Now do one thing. Apply day level filter on that. Only whatever the latest date, right? Apply latest day level filter. Now check if data is being shown or not. You getting my point? In the flow itself, in the flow, just take most recent day's data in your database and check. I get it. I get it. My point is, when outflow is there, then the data is present in here. So in order to understand where that is breaking, test with one day's data, and check whether that is being represented or not. Check this. The problem is you are saying the most recent date is missing, right? So take the most recent date in your filter. Take a filter of for every data source and every connection that every flow that you are building here. Take most recent days data. and then try working on your flow somewhere where the flow is breaking. Then you'll understand, okay, this is because my I'm not getting my recent date in here. You'll understand that. First you need to not take only one date. Take a data source filter. In this you have data source filter, right? Take a data source filter with only one recent, most recent date, and now check whether where the problem is coming. You'll understand that. Because this flow is very big, I cannot tell you where actual the issue is happening. Right click on your data source that is present in the connections. In your connections itself you can add the data source filter, right? Wait, I've been working. Where is your data source in this, in the flow? In the flow. Okay, click on that. Let me see the options. Clean step. What is that clean step? Click on the clean step. No, there should be some place where. Okay, there is filter values, right? Filter values below. Yeah. Take the date. Now take date and take the most recent date. Just bring that date. Just bring the date field. Mm, I never worked on this. You need to find a way to apply data source filter. That is where. How are you confining the data which is flowing into this? No, no, no. Here it should be there. It should be there a way to filter the data here, whatever is coming in here. Okay, I'll ask a Tableau Prep expert to attend the session tomorrow so that we can discuss this in clarity. Okay? Hi. Good morning. Uh, this has been asked earlier also. Uh, I don't think that option is there. There are certain hacks that are present. I never gone through that, but I'm not sure if that is present. Hiding the parameter based on the problem. Normal, the straightforward problem with parameters is they are not data source dependent. Hence, you cannot make them disappear. But there once long back I saw a hack where they are using certain way of pushing it out or pulling it in. Uh, that thing I'm not clear about. Okay. Okay. Hi. Okay. This is also a long-standing question. The problem, I'll tell you the problem here. Now you are saying you have four metrics. Just so yeah, you want to filter only 2022 data. Now here you want to show. Uh, I think. Wait, one minute. sales and yeah. Now here you want one more line chart over this. The problem here is when you are doing with measure names and measure values, when you bring any other overlapping on this is going to be a problem with your other measures. Now generally what happens is when you take two measures like this, when you take any two measures and do them, generally that is not a problem. Like I bring profit and I bring sales, and if I do a dual axis or something, that is not going to be a problem. But when you want to show side by side chart, then you'll be using measure values and measure names. The moment you use measure values and measure names, it will confine your ability to bring something over this. Like I can bring sales in here, and or I can bring quantity. Whatever I bring, see that is being added as a separate entity in here. If you see, the reason being measure names. As we are using measure names, that is being added, and that poses a problem for us to get what we want to get. That is the biggest problem. So when you want to show something like this, one video that I did on this is over like putting another sheet over that. Something like just in search button. Where is this bar over bar? Just, yeah, this one. Overlapping bar charts. Go through this video. It will check if this is helpful to you. Okay, let me put this in comments. Check if this video is helpful to you and get back to me if you have any doubts on this. Okay. Okay, guys, last 10 minutes. I have some other work. Yeah. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. You can. All you need to add is 20, right? No, but how do you understand if it is saying FY 22? How do you understand what is 1922 or 2022? How do you understand that? No, that is what. See, when you have the things, the string that you have is FY 2201, right? Now, when I'm saying when you are saying FY, I'm asking you directly can add 20 so that you will get 2022. But now you are asking, how will I know if it is 1922 or 2022, right? So that is exactly my question again to you. Even it is FY22, FY2201, then how do you understand that that is in 2022 or it is not 1922? How do you differentiate that? If you create a date out of it, you can create anything. I didn't get you. Mhm. See, do one thing. Do one thing. See, the problem is show me your data in the tomorrow session, and then we can understand. Because if you are just talking about that, it is hard to visualize, right? So show me what data you have. Based on that, we'll try to get a solution. Okay. Hi. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Segment windows. Okay. 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 Pardon? Both as bars. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. No, this is because of the space issues. In general, here, whatever you are getting is because the space. It is not just for this. Because of the spacing issues, it is showing you that. Yeah. Okay, if you want to show profit in here, then okay, sorry, my bad. Then take it on the larger side. Put it here. Okay, wait. Where is it coming inside? Wait. Oh, first thing is we need to synchronize axis. Yeah, now. Yeah, now it will come. Take the most outer one, then you will get it. Whatever. Okay, you mean to say sometimes this green bar is more than this one. You said green bar is more than this yellow bar. How do? Then okay, do one thing. Write the calculated field if sum of profit greater than sum of sales. Then sum of profit. Else, no. Write two calculations, like one for greater and one for lesser. Right? Then put them in for both. Here also put this in label and here also put it in label. So when you put this in label, now let me do it. Here sum of profit is everything going on. I want to get this. Okay, it's relatively going up. Okay, let me rather than writing profit in here, I can write a calculator. Let me take a parameter and I'm writing calculator field sum of profit and into bringing this in here Okay, then I'm using the sale of this. Okay. Now your question is here, when it is more, you should have it both sides. So here my calculation will be, if sum of calculation 1 greater than sum of sales, then sum of calculation. Okay, the relation is already present. Let me duplicate this, edit, and then here less. Okay. Now for this, right, put your calculation 2 in here. Let me remove profit from this in here. Right. And this in here. Not be taken. No, here you are getting this in here, right? Let me do it. So you want calculation to copy paste. Calculation to copy and bring it to table. Do it in here. Calculation to and bring it to. You are not getting anything, right? Now sometimes when your value is 10. Now if you observe, you're getting that? So these two calculations are crucial. So if it is profit is greater than sales, then I'm taking, if it is less than, I'm not giving any output. This I'm associating with my one of the tab. And the other way around, I'm associating with another tab. This one. So when it is less, when it is this, for this, whatever for sales we have, this is getting activated. And for this, it is showing null. Okay. But if it is more, then the other one is getting activated and this is showing null. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, that is for today. I have some other work. Or I have one doubt, say one doubt if possible, I'll take. No, it will work, but if there are any new values, then the new values will create a distortion in whatever sort you have done. Whatever it is, whatever it is. See, if it is if you are talking about something like category, which doesn't change, you can do manual sort. It is not going to affect. But if you are doing a sort for something like customer, every day a new customer might come, then there will be a problem with the sort. Go for manual sort only when the values are mostly static, mostly run 100% static. Otherwise, the problem is whenever a new value comes in, it is not a part of your manual sort. So it will find its own place, not what you have defined. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm having some other session. Guys, please see. Make sure you review us on in here. Then only we can understand how the training is going, and also we can help others with the same. And after taking all these sessions, this is what I request. And if I'm not getting response for that, I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, please do review us in here. Okay. Again, we'll meet at the same time tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, everyone. We'll again meet tomorrow. Have a great day.